Okay, we're going to do an overview of the shower seat and how it's moving forward. And, well, again, just an update. So here we go. Here's the shower seat. I could have taken off the tape, but I wanted it to be real, so you can see corners nice and tight. Haven't cleaned nothing up yet. This seam is nice and tight. This joint all the way around. Let's see, here we go. Let's go this way. All right. All the way around. Now, this wall, this runs at an angle. So I had to, that was a difficult cut. But that joint is running at an angle. But I had to get that perfect to the wall so that this piece, this next piece over, is perfectly square. So that was a perfect cut on that wall. I wish I would have liked to have videotaped it, but it's kind of hard doing all this when I'm doing it, having a video by myself, and it slows me down big time. And this is my niche. Some people call it a niche. I like calling it a shampoo shelf because that's what it is. But when I get it all cleaned up and I get it grouted and I get the pencil trim on this, this is really going to look nice. So here's the shampoo shelf side, coming across the front, coming around here to the other side. So I wrapped it. Okay, this is real thick. That's like a little over 2 inches thick. I didn't like a thin shelf. It just didn't look right. And then I'm going to get creative and I'm going to spray under here, kind of make that look real nice on the bottom side. And so there's the shampoo shelf. This may give you some ideas. Maybe you could just take the front and just attach it, just a section and make like a shelf on the wall, you know. You can get creative with this, but this nice wide shelf really looks good. I don't like the thin, narrow ones. It just doesn't look right. And then underneath my shower seat, okay, we coming down. I have this here, and I just installed this tile on the side, and I've got the back and this other side to do. That piece is going in on that side. And then the face here, and then the other face I've got to do here on that leg. So there's the shower seat, the storage. So my wife ought to be a happy camper. We'll have plenty of room. And so, again, thanks for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You know, I've got a variety of things here on my YouTube channel. If you're just YouTube channel surfing, subscribe, like, share it. That would be great. I appreciate comments. Feedback is real good. I really like that. And again, I'm really wanting to develop a community here where we can share and interact and you know, help one another out. That was my whole purpose for creating a YouTube channel to start with. I guess I should do a little trailer on that and give more details about where I'm coming from and my purpose for being here. But you're seeing it nonetheless. So if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, share, and please comment, because you can't hurt my feelings. Never give up, because there's always a way. There's always a way. Set that pride aside. If you need to ask, ask. There's no shame in that game, and it's really not a game. So don't give up. Do whatever it takes to get the job done. And comment. Love to hear from you. Well, God bless. Bye for now. And take care. And never give up.